Just a few seconds of video is sometimes all police need to catch the culprits. In an effort to encourage more residents to install outdoor cameras, the City of Bowie is offering a $50 rebate to anyone who provides a receipt for a home security camera bought and installed beginning November the 17th, 2020.
We don't want anything inside. It has to be an outward-facing camera. Oftentimes when there's an incident in your neighborhood, it doesn't have to always be someone that involves you. It could be something involving your neighbor, something on the street. These doorbell cameras allow us to see what happened prior to the event, prior to our arrival. So oftentimes we've been able to solve thefts from auto thefts. We've had some other incidences where camera footage has been invaluable. Every time there's an incident now, we try to canvass the neighborhoods to find out, is there any possible video of suspects or people of interest? And more times than not, these cameras make the difference in the case. So please, it helps us, it helps you.
Here's some things you need to know about the program. Only one rebate is allowed per household, and you must live within Bowie City limits. A rebate check will be mailed out to your home. For more information and the application, you can go onto our website at cityofbowie.org/police. You can also call 240-544-5793